Today we're going to make Sambal Tomat, which is an Indonesian style tomato based sambal. We'll start off by roughly chopping around 20 bird's eye chilies and 1 red chili. This may seem like a lot, but once we add the tomato and cook the sambal out, it actually turns out to be not very spicy at all. We then want to roughly chop some shallots and garlic into smaller pieces to make them easy to blend into a paste. Next we want to find the ripest tomato we can, and roughly chop this into smaller pieces. Adding tomato is going to give the sambal a slight tartness and enhance the overall umami flavour profile. Once everything's chopped into smaller pieces, add it all to a food processor and blend it into a fine paste. Make sure you scrape down the sides a few times here and get the paste as fine as possible. To cook the sambal, we want to use a wide fry pan to provide as much surface area as possible. Add a good amount of neutral oil, and once the oil is heated up, add the sambal paste. Mix the paste through the oil and keep stirring on a medium heat for a few minutes. You really want to make sure you've cooked out all the garlic and the shallots here. We'll then add about a tablespoon each of chicken stock powder and salt and stir this through the sambal. Next up, we'll add in 3 kaffir lime leaves. Give these a bit of a scrunch in your hand before we add them to the sambal to release their essential oils. Once the sambal's had a good chance to cook out, we can add about 50 ml of water to the fry pan. Stir this through to thin the sambal out. Finally, we're going to add about a tablespoon of palm sugar. Keep frying the sambal for a few minutes until it starts to caramelize and go a slightly darker colour. Once you're happy with the colour, give the sambal a taste and add some more salt or palm sugar if needed. After a few minutes, you should notice that the water's all evaporated and the oil started to separate from the sambal paste. This is when I know the sambal's ready. You can now take the pan off the heat and transfer the sambal to a Tupperware container. The sambal should keep for about a month in the fridge, but I definitely can't see it lasting that long. If you're interested in trying this at home, then there's a link to the recipe in the description of this video. If you want to see more videos like these, then please help us out by subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.